Hello everyone. This automation anywhere script read the email from your Gmail box and which subjects are including the purchase order. So once it will find out the subject with the purchase order, it will download that invoice file into some particular folder. So entire process will accumulate all the purchase order in the mailbox. After that, it will process that invoice files into the Excel sheet. So it will read one by one PDF files and extract the data into the Excel sheet. So all the data collected into the Excel sheet, and finally it will send the mail to the required users or the DL groups. The mail will send. So the entire process from collecting the invoice files through the mailbox and send the mail is the automated through Automation Anywhere software. Let's start with the demo. So now you can see the final output of through mail sent through the Automation Anywhere, and you can see the entire Excel sheet ready with the invoice details. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.